In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on QuickBooks Online so you can make the interface easier to read and navigate. Start by opening your browser and heading to the QuickBooks Online website. At the top right, click Sign In, then enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, you'll land on your QuickBooks dashboard. Now, the zoom function isn't inside QuickBooks itself. It's controlled by your browser. If you're using Google Chrome, go to the top right corner and click the 3 vertical dots. From the drop-down menu, look for the zoom option. To zoom in, click the plus icon. Each click increases the zoom level, making text and numbers larger and easier to read. If you need to zoom back out, click the minus icon until you find the perfect view. And that's it. You've now learned how to zoom in on QuickBooks Online for a more comfortable and personalized experience.